Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope all are good. Dear students, in this video I am going to explain about the eastern coastal plains. Okay, we have already discussed about western coastal line. So now we can see what are the importance about eastern coastal plains. Okay, we can see on the image of eastern coastal plains where is located. We can see on the map. See dear students, here this is the eastern coastal plains. See this Kanyakumari to up to West Bengal. See this is West Bengal. Eastern coastal plains, Gujarat to Kanyakumari. This is the western coastal plain and this is the eastern coastal plain. Understood? Okay. Eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains are located between the eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. These plains stretch from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. These plains cover the eastern part of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. See dear students, these eastern coastal plains are located between the eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Okay. Then this plain stretch from the West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Okay, and this eastern coastal plains is covered with the West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Okay, then the eastern coastal plains are wider than the western coastal plains and are divided into northern circus and the Coromandel coast. See here, compared to western coastal line, these eastern coastal plains are wider. Okay, compared to that. And these eastern coastal plains are divided into two types. First one is northern circus. Second one is Coromandel coast. Okay. The northern circus are the northern part of the eastern coastal plains and the Coromandel coast is the southern part of the eastern coastal plains. So we can see on the map what is the speciality about in this eastern coastal plains. We can see, dear students, we know already these eastern coastal plains are located this region. See, I am marking here. See all of you. See, this is the eastern coastal plain. See, it stretch from the West Bengal. See, this is the West Bengal state from Tamil Nadu. See, this is Tamil Nadu. Okay, TN. So it start from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Okay, understood? And one more important here, these eastern coastal plains are divided into two types. Okay, first one is northern Sarkar. See here, this is northern eastern coastal Sarkar, northern, and this part is what? Coromandel coast. This part is Coromandel coast and this part is northern Sarkar. Okay, understood? Okay. This eastern coastal plains is covered with West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, then Tamil Nadu, Puducherry. See, all here, this, you know already, this is West Bengal, then Odisha, then Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu. So it covers with these states. Okay. Next, we can see what are the importance of coastal plains. So we know already what are the coastal plains are there, what is the specialty about that we have understood. So we can see what are the importance of coastal plains. We can see one by one. Similar to the other physical features of India, the coastal plains are also very important to our country in a number of ways. Okay, then first one, the coastal plains have a number of ports inland and foreign trade is carried on from these ports. See dear students, these coastal lines are helpful to what? Have a trade, you know. So the coastal lines are helpful to do the foreign trade. Okay, so we want to export some goods, that time we should use the ports. Okay, that's why these coastal plains have a number of ports. Okay, then second point, the soil of the coastal plains is very fertile, which helps in producing a variety of crops such as rice, cotton and rubber. See dear students, see here, this region and this region is very fertile. Why? It's near to the sea also, and so many rivers are flowing here. That's why these areas is still very fertile. So here we can grow different type of crops. For example, cotton, sugar cane, rubber, like that. We know Kerala. So Kerala is producing high amount of the rubber. Okay. Point, fishing is an important occupation here. Fish are not only sold in the local market but are also exported. See dear students, in coastal lines are near to the ocean and sea also, that time they are doing fishing. Okay, so we know fishing is main important occupation, and we are using by food also this, and we are also using for some markets, and we are going to export to other countries. Okay, then last one is, due to their closeness to the sea, they attracted lot of tourists. See, for example, in our Karnataka, you know, Mangalore, Udupi, Malpe, Murdeshwara. So these places are near to the, are close to the sea. That's why these areas are attracted to the people. So when people is going to visit this place, that time this place also became very famous. So that's why, so these places are attracted a lot of tourists. Okay, so dear students, these are the information about coastal plains. I hope all are understood very well. You have any doubts, you can ask in live session. Thank you.